Welcome to another episode of The Love Hub, where we give tips and advices to women about love and relationships. This episode is about how to make a guy miss you. A quick shout out to Muhammad Awais and Marilu Marzo. Thank you for always watching our channel. For topic requests and shout out requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Tip number 1. Stop texting him. When you miss someone, you feel those butterflies in your stomach, and all you feel like doing is wait for him to come online and text or chat with him. And the moment she messages you, you reply in seconds, or if she isn't texting you first, you're always initiating the text. If you really want him to miss you, stop texting him. Don't initiate the talk, let him do it. That is tip number 1, stop texting him. Tip number 2, the waiting game. According to the dating metrics, 15% of men get in touch on the same night, and 49% of men get in touch the night after. This is because of the waiting game. They don't show that they're missing you already, and hence, they wait a day or two to get in touch. So if you want your man to miss you, don't keep in touch with him. Let him miss you for a moment. That is tip number 2, the waiting game. Tip number 3, always be the first one to hang up. The law of attraction only works when you play hard to get. Be the first person they say goodbye or goodnight over a text or a call. Show him that you aren't dying to talk to him endlessly. Hanging up first will add to your mysterious aura, and he will feel that there is still a lot more to you. It will make him chase you to know you more. He'll dig deeper to get to know you more. That is tip number 3, always be the first one to hang up. Tip number 4, have a signature. Having a signature that will remind him of you can be one of the tips to make him miss you. It could be a dialogue, or a scent, or even your favorite food or superhero. Imagine yourself talking endlessly about strawberry shortcakes in front of him, and he goes to a restaurant and sees strawberry shortcakes on the menu. Guess whose name will pop up in his mind? That is tip number 4, have a signature. Tip number 5, don't give away everything. You both might be getting really comfortable with each other, and you think that this is it. This is the moment when you can finally open up to him. Just stop right there. Don't share your life story in 2 dates. Take time. Do not open yourself up just too soon. You both might be getting really comfortable with each other, and you think that this is it. This is the moment when you finally can open up to him, but you stop right there. Don't share your life in just 2 dates. That is tip number 5, don't give away everything. Tip number 6, leave things accidentally. Is there a time in your life when you have found an old movie stub or a subway ticket around and you relive that memory all over again? Things associate to memories, which make your brain start thinking about it. Try accidentally leaving your things like handkerchief, earrings in his car or house. If you want him to miss you, you should leave a trace. Leave things accidentally. That is tip number 6, leave things accidentally. Tip number 7, be busy when he asks you out. If you want him to miss you, learn how to say no whenever he is asking you out. Pretend that you're having a business or you're too busy with something. No doubt, if you do this, he will miss you a lot. It's okay to turn down 1 or 2 dates. This will make him anxious to meet you on your next date. If you're not available, he will be waiting to catch up with you, and that's a good thing. That's tip number 7. Be busy when he asks you out. Tip number 8. Give him space to make him miss you. Sometimes, giving space to someone makes them miss you. If you spend most of your time with him, it will soon become a normal thing. You'll no longer make his heart beat whenever he always sees you. He will no longer anticipate your presence. If you are always there, how will you give him a chance to miss you? If you're always there for him physically or through texts, there won't be a chance of missing him. Give him enough space to think about you in your absence. That's how all the missing will start. That is tip number 8. Give him space to make him miss you. Thank you so much for watching. For topic requests and shoutout requests, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.